Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable dark mode for Google Chrome in Windows 10. Right-click Chrome shortcut. Click Properties. End of the target URL, insert one space. Force dark mode. Click apply, OK. Open Chrome browser. Dark mode is enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.